but the pickup tube does not reach all the way down, so I'm not real sure how much fuel we've got. Of course, plus we've got the tanks outside, but that oil, as cold as it is, it's not going to pump really well to pump it inside. What's up, Shop Cat? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hello. How you doing? Okay, well, let's walk around outside a little bit and see what we got going on. I think it's about 28, 29 degrees. I scraped the walk here a little bit. Frank back drug the driveway some with his tractor. It cleared that up some. But you can tell this is nothing but a sheet of ice. I'm just going to crank the van. I would like to get the ice off of it. We'll walk up the hill and check out some other stuff up there. Supposed to be getting some more rain and snow this afternoon. Yeah, you can hear it's crunch. This isn't soft snow, this is ice. We have almost a full tank of gas in that van. Of course, I don't think we can get out. Frank's driveway is solid ice all the way to the street, and the hills are steeper than this, a couple of them going out. Need to check a couple of those pine trees. As tall as they are, I may need to move the van and the Jeep out from under the shelter. Shoot, this would be a good hill to slide on. We got a full tank of gas in the Jeep. Guess I could try get going down that hill and can't stop though. We'll end up in a pond like we did with El Camino. I don't know if the Jeep will crank or not. Battery may be dead. Well, the battery in the Jeep is dead. We may bring the boost up. Oh, that's why it wouldn't crank. We ran the battery down. It didn't turn the alarm off. This hill isn't too slick yet, but we don't need to break our silly neck going down it. How's the weather where y'all are? Everybody send me a message. Tell me how the weather is, what you're doing today, where you're at, how the weather is. Get this windshield cleaned off. We may play a little bit up here. Yeah, this windshield's already cracked, so I'm not going to run the defroster on it very hard at all. Just let it try to thaw naturally. Let the engine run, let it thaw naturally. So we filled it up with gas. So. Well, I think we'll go down and get the battery boost and jump this other Jeep off, let it run. try to get these windshields cleaned off at least. I don't have an ice scraper. Well, I got a bunch of them, but not over here. I'm sure Frank's got one in the shop somewhere. Yeah, we need to monitor those pine trees right there. That one to the right is already leaning this way. It has been. That other one. So we need to pull these out. Okay, went down and got Frank's jump box. Frank right up. That hood is heavy. That ice is all over it. Yeah, the cab inside has gotten nice and toasty. It's starting to thaw this out. Now, this van has limited slip rear end. But man, these are good tires, Michelin Eagles, but they're not. These vans don't get any traction, and these tires aren't made for this kind of stuff. I wouldn't even attempt to get out in this thing. That 98 van's got better tires, better tread, same tires, but, well, no, it's a different tire. But it doesn't have limited slip. We're not going to try to get out in it. We may not even try to get out in the Jeep. We don't know yet. We don't need to. Just I'd like to get out and see what's going on. Get out and see what's going on. Okay, we're going to wrap this one up. Again, y'all, let me know where you're at. How's the weather? How's this cold treating you? Let's see if I can get this one uploaded. Yeah, I don't know if that did any good or not. That started getting it thawed out a little bit on all of these. But also we're supposed to be getting rain and snow again after 3 o'clock. If we actually try to get out tomorrow, we'll get out in this if we can, but we'll have to get that ice off the windshield. The 95 would be fine, but it doesn't have, it needs tires, and I'm just have it in storage. I don't have it tagged or insured right now. Got both of these cut off. We'll go down and cut that one off and go in and have some lunch. Maybe some of our cabbage and black eyed peas from last night. Make us another little cornbread. Okay, again, let me know where y'all are at, what your weather situation is. Please like, share, and subscribe.